Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the same gentleman I was doing the outline, create or turn your object into an outline. First of all, your red cut line is way too thick. So we grab on it. It's in millimeters, so I don't know what part of the country you're from or part of the world, but you need to change that to hairline. One, it'll make it quite a bit thinner, and two, it'll make it cut. With most engravers, I shouldn't speak for all engravers, but I don't believe this blue text is going to engrave on that black. I think it's, even if you color map, I think the black's going to overtake. So this is just a suggestion. I would go and like before, I've already broken, the outline into an object to an object. So now you have this, but you need to make sure this is a hairline. And we're actually going to turn these red just so we can maybe see them better. And now we're going to nudge this back over. But what I'm going to do is take away the color from this right now. And I'm going to nudge it over. Now this will be a little time consuming. And you actually maybe going to have to test it because it might be so thin. And then get your smart fill tool set on black and fill this in. And then of course you're gonna have to go and fill in all the spots. But what this is reverse engraving, and the black is not really there where the words are. Now the only thing that scares me a little bit, so I'd want you to test it, would be that it's gonna be, the parts are gonna be so thin that it's not going to be, it's going to burn away. So I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm going to do a few more up top. Doesn't take very long. Just fill this in with black, and then I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. We'll do that one, last one right there. Now take a yellow box, make it yellow by left clicking, go to Object, Order, Backup Page. And now you can see. And what we can also do is take the, let me nudge that out of the way. Let me take this and right click no line. Well, that's kind of messed it up. Well, that's the only way you can do it. Anyway, you can see through, you can see the yellow, so it's not going to engrave. That's my only concern. That is so thin, and now if we can click on this and left click no line, it's going to make it a little bit thicker, but you're just going to have to do some testing. And also, I'm not sure if I took away your outline is still to cut it out. That's a pretty cool logo graphic. It's being held on by 3 spots in each direction. Should work really well. But that'd be my suggestion. The only other suggestion I could make is use a font that's a little bit thicker. So when you do that, and then you just wipe it off with some alcohol and a rag and wipe off the burn residue. And it should work. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.